think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship, my new bike. I've been getting out on the dirt and gravel recently, Bunyip State Park, just east of Melbourne. I'm trying to get nice and comfortable off-road, and then we'll do more interesting rides. I want to get comfortable like your favourite pair of jocks. Well, not your favourite pair of jocks. I don't want to wear your jocks. What I mean is comfortable like I'm wearing my favourite jocks. Geez, why am I having to explain this? Bunyip here is my kindergarten, which means it's a good place to start the learning process, and it's okay to occasionally wee my pants. I'm sticking to the easy tracks for now, so there shouldn't be any weeing. Four Brothers Rocks is one of the few specific sites to visit in the park. You can't ride or drive up to it, but it's only a few hundred metres walk from the car park. And you do get a good view on a nice day. It's worth checking out. Back again at Bunyip State Park, onto some other tracks. The packed dirt is fine, nice and easy to ride, but every now and then you hit a patch of loose gravel, not as much fun. This loose gravel gives me the heebie-jeebies. I think I should just power through, but I don't have the balls for that. Back on the packed dirt, much nicer to ride on, definitely feel less like a Gumby. The day after an off-road ride, my legs feel like jelly, like they've been pummeled by a guy who thinks I've been wearing his favourite jocks, and that's a hell of a pummelling. The park has more tracks for bushwalking and horse riding if you're into that. How can standing on the pegs be so tiring? I've known how to stand for several decades and pretty much get it right each time, and humans have been standing erect for some 4 million years, according to those Big Bang and evolution theories. Any intelligent design proponents out there? What an ironic term. Am I lost? Where am I? Left here, I think. Being out here is great. Little chance of running into people actively proving that humanity is officially getting dumber. As the saying goes, better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak and remove all doubt. If you're looking for some gentle tracks, there are a few out at Bunyip State Park. I intend doing a lot more riding and getting out to great tracks. Subscribe and come along for the ride. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!